Yo, it's Al and welcome to another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. Today is another 3 fits, 1 kick video. And from last episode being Fat Joe's favourite sneaker with the linens, this episode, it is his sneaker. The Air Force 1 Terror Squad BlackOut. For those who don't know, these are based off the many one-of-one Air Force 1s that Fat Joe and the rest of the Terror Squad had in the early 2000s. To finally own a pair of Air Force 1s with that famous TS hit from Terror Squad on the sides felt like an accomplishment, with the JC for Joey Crack on the back tabs, and throughout the actual shoe, the execution and the leathers are as if they are one of those pairs from back in the early 2000s made for Fat Joe and the Terror Squad. So Fat Joe is one of the many early influences for me on style, and of course the colour matching fits and kicks together. So I'll be making sure to do the same with the black and white looks, keeping it monochrome. So without further ado, let's get to fit 1. So for the first fit, I've kept it nice and simple. An everyday fit, be it nice and cozy, or even a travel fit. So we've got first the Market big paisley hood with a white t-shirt underneath just in case you want to take off the hood throughout the day, and then to match with this, the coordinating pants, the big paisley Market sweatpants. To keep that mainly black fit with white hits, nice and simple with the tracksuit, just to tie in with the whites and the accents of the shoe. For the second fit, I've gone more of a going out for the day shopping vibe, so you lay it up and you haven't got to go back and forth and change, you're just out and good to go. So we've got the black biker leather jacket with a few patches to add a bit of colour throughout, then the white hood for that extra layer just as a contrast against the jacket. Then paired with some black cargos that sit right on top of the kick just to give that extra bit of a flex of the TS logo. For the third and final fit, I've gone a little bit more fancy, so if you're going out for drinks or out for a meal, or you just want to flex and that more outrageous out there outfit. So I'm channeling the biggest Fat Joe energy here with straight off the black fur coat. This is my top layer, and then we're going to contrast that with the KITH black box logo tee, just tying in the colours as usual, and then pairing those with some regular fit black heavy denim jeans with the fold just as a little cuff at the bottom to get more of the kicks on display. So those were my 3 fits to go with the Terror Squad Air Force 1 BlackOut. Comment which was your favourite fit, and this has been another episode of Al's Fits and Kicks. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and see you next time. Peace!